Hello everybody. I have sad news for you. Jarek passed away on May 31st. It's hard for me to express my sadness. For the last 12 years, YouTube channels, especially Domidrewno, has been Jarek's whole life. 3 days before his death, he said that he had to record an update so that viewers would know what was happening to him. He left behind something really great. He became immortal thanks to hundreds of videos he made. He badly wanted to live. I leave all channels for you, for our viewers. Let them serve as long as possible. From here, I would like to thank all of you for your support, comments, messages, likes, and your presence. Without you, it wouldn't make any sense. I would like to thank Jarek for leaving a part of himself in each of our sons and for everything he taught us. We don't say goodbye, but we say see you later. Life will show what will happen next with all Jarek has created. Let's remember him well. He was an amazing guy. I'm attaching a link to the song that played at the end of the funeral, which will be our farewell. Take care, all of you.